What do you want to do, James?
Dig up a bird grave. Is that sacrilegious? I'm gonna go dig up a bird grave, and I don't know if that'd be sacrilegious, but I'm scared there might be like a little bird brain rattling inside. We just have to pay respect to the bird. I pray you no harm. I pray you pay peacefully on to the other life. I just need your skull. Thank you.
That was a lot easier than I remember.
Put it over here. Bird, I'm sorry. Please don't come and back and haunt me. He does not have bones. That's not bones. I'm sorry, bird. We'll dig you a deeper grave. That's sad. I'm coming back in a while, birdie boy. Put your grave. Don't be angry at me. I'm doing my best. I think that's all. What a fun little fiasco. Just killed the bird. Whoops.
Wait, James, you have to set the tombstone back up and lay flowers to appease the spirits of the dead.
I am. That's not enough. Go, baby. Go, baby.
We have to say it 3 times to break the spell.
We have no part in the bird curse. We have no part in the bird curse. We have no part in the bird curse. Wait, that's not fast. That's not fast enough. This has to be menacing. I mean, I'm not Steven Spielberg, but I am.